Welcome to Visual Studio, Microsoft's powerful integrated development environment. It's designed for developers building apps in C, Python, C++, JavaScript, and more. Creating web, desktop, mobile, or cloud apps, Visual Studio has all the tools you need. Visual Studio is more than a code editor. It's a full-featured development platform. It includes intelligent code completion, debugging, project management, and version control. All scripts or enterprise applications in a user-friendly interface. Visual Studio includes IntelliSense for smart code suggestions and error detection. LiveShare allows real-time collaboration with other developers. Built-in Git and GitHub support makes managing your code easy. It's from a wide range of project templates like .NET, ASP.NET, Python and Node.js, debugger, integrated terminal, and customizable themes. Begin, open Visual Studio and pick a template like a Seesaw console app. E guides you through setting up your first project. Write, run, debug, and publish your application in one workflow. Go to definition and code maps make navigation effortless. AI tools like IntelliCode and GitHub Copilot speed up coding and refactoring. Visual Studio is trusted by millions of developers worldwide. It's perfect for students, solo coders, or large teams. Buy the free Community Edition or explore professional and enterprise versions. Subscribe for more dev tutorials and visit vbtutor.net for full lessons. At Visual Studio, Microsoft.com. More tutorials at vbtutor.net and subscribe for weekly coding tips.